Looking to improve energy efficiency in your cold storage, installing high-efficiency condensing unit is the key. First, significant energy savings. High-efficiency condensing units reduce energy consumption, lowering operating costs while optimizing cold storage performance. Second, improved heat dissipation. The optimized design of the unit enhances heat dissipation, helping the system cool faster and maintain stable operation. Third, stable performance longevity. Efficient units run more smoothly, reduce failure rates, and extend the lifespan of your system. Fourth, adaptability to harsh environments. Works efficiently in various environmental conditions, whether high temperatures or humidity. Fifth, lower maintenance costs. With stable operation, the need for maintenance and repairs is greatly reduced.